Business plans, marketing plans, it's a term which we use a lot today, marketing plan. We've just seen the sequence. 4 questions, 4 answers, basic terms, analyzing the current situation, analysis, turning that into marketing objectives, if you wish, strategy, turning that into an action plan, if you wish, tactics, as we saw. And you have to, it's not if you wish, you have to talk about control. You have to control these activities. And again, this is a cyclic way of planning. At the end of each day, at the end of each week, at the end of each trimester, quarter, year, you have to realize what have you done good and bad in a business way yesterday, during the past quarter, and so forth. So we have seen the frame of a marketing plan. We have to now concentrate here. We have to speak about where are we today. We have to analyze. We have to analyze things which are starting with a very macro approach. We'll speak about things like that in a second. We'll explain what this means, what is PEST all about, and we'll have to understand how do we analyze in marketing. And again, we start with something very large, very holistic, very global. Besides being a very nice Italian sauce, which we fancy, because if you remember the background, my background, it has to do with Italy, it just stands for a few words, which are really your business environment. So for example, the first one is political environment. What does it mean? What does it mean for you? What does it mean for you, sir? It means, are you really affected by the political environment? Are you really affected by this political environment? Political environment. Are you affected by that? Maybe not. The E stands for economical environment. Are you affected by the economical environment? Probably yes, of course yes. But you have to see, and this is the way we think as marketers, what is more important. Is it the social environment, the S for social environment? Or is it economical? Is it technological environment? If you're a software company, obviously this is the most important environment for you. If you are in the perfume industry, obviously the social environment is the most important. Trends. What trends are coming up in the perfume industry? If you're a banking, investment, banking and so forth, you're here, economic environment. Okay, this is obvious. But each and every business here sitting in class, you're representing many, many different businesses. You have to realize what is the level of importance. And the O stands for, you won't imagine, that's why I haven't wrote it here, stands for others. Others, we really mean 2 different environments. One which can be legal, let's write L for legal, legal environment. Some businesses, they have a lot to do with the legal environment. And let's put G for green, for ecological environment. All this issue of representing the earth in another way, recycle, appreciate your peers, appreciate communities, help the others, all about what we call today social marketing. We have 6 environments: political, economical, social, technological, and finally legal and environmental. And the question is really for you, in one sentence, what is the most 1 or 2 environments that you're affected by? And this is what we call the PEST analysis, and this is what this is all about. We have started with that. We'll continue with much more practical and more micro level elements. We will continue and analyze.